Okay, here is the flip through of my advent calendar for Christmas. I made that into a journal, of course, and it's like the size of a mini journal, and it starts out with the title page, and then it starts to count the days down, and there's a pocket with candy and a tab for each day. So here's day 24. So December 1st, you'd start with that one, and then December 23rd. So they all spin open, and then here's your candy on this side for that, and here's day 22. I've got some really cute graphics on this kit. So even if you didn't want to do this calendar, you might want it just to have the graphics. You could cut them up and put them in a different journal if you wanted to. Jesus is the reason for the season, 21 days. There's your candy. I used Andes mints and just glued them in. Peace on Earth, here's 20 days. Here's 19 days. And there's that candy. And this one spins open for 18 days. This label spins up for 17 days. And 16 days. Little red bird for 15 days. Beautiful painting of the Nativity for 14 days. Two nostalgic deer for 13 days. And 12 days. 11. 10. 9. 8, 7. This is cute. These kids with these little piggies. 6 days till Christmas. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This spins down. And then Christ is born here. Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. And there's an extra pocket here for whatever you want to put in it. So that is my Advent calendar. The kit is out on in my Etsy shop. Go to Jesusjunkjournals in Etsy. So if you type in Jesusjunkjournals.etsy.com, you will get to it. And I will post a link for it also. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.